Hello, and welcome to this practice of Yoga Nidra. Take a moment to find a comfortable lying position, arms alongside your body, palms face up. Your legs are long and relaxed, slightly apart, feet flop out to the sides. You can place something under your knees if you need, and perhaps cover yourself with a light blanket or shawl to ensure you stay comfortable and are able to stay completely still throughout this practice. Continue to allow your body to relax. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Relax deeper. Allow your breath to become slow and natural. Your Yoga Nidra begins now. Bring your awareness to your breath. And take a deep inhale, feeling your abdomen expand. Exhale slowly, releasing all tension. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation. Shift your attention to your toes. Imagine a warm, welcoming wave of relaxation flowing into them, dissolving any tension. Move upwards to your feet, your ankles, and lower legs. Feel a gentle warmth spreading through these areas, releasing any tightness. Bring awareness to your knees, your thighs, your hips. With each breath, allow your relaxation to deepen as you move upwards. Imagine a soft golden light washing over your entire body, soothing every muscle. Feel your abdomen soften, your chest open, and your shoulders release. Envision a gentle breeze flowing across your torso, carrying away any lingering stress. Your arms, hands, and fingers, let them grow heavy and warm, as though sinking into a comforting embrace. Finally, let go of any remaining tension in your neck, face, and scalp. Imagine your forehead smoothing, your jaw softening, and your breath flowing effortlessly. Rest in this deep state of relaxation. Observe the stillness within. Stay here for a few moments, simply being. Allow the body and mind to settle in peace. And when you are ready, and gently return to the present moment. Become aware of your surroundings. Become aware of your body. Wriggle your fingers and your toes. And take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Your practice is now complete.